Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'll show you how to solve the issue of Outlook calendar not highlighting the selected date. To fix it, open Microsoft Outlook, click on File, click on Account Settings. From this drop-down menu, again click on Account Settings, double click on your email profile, click on More Settings, click on Advanced. Now under the Microsoft 365 features, give a check mark on, turn on shared calendar improvement, click on apply, OK, and OK. Now close all window including Microsoft Outlook to restart the Outlook. Now reopen the Microsoft Outlook. After opening the Microsoft Outlook, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.